Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be talking about Winter Storm John. I had a video on this yesterday, but I will talk about it today. Also, Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2021. Haven't seen that in a year. But, so winter weather alerts. So we have seen, I can't speak. Oh, okay. Sorry. So right here we have ice storm warning is in the purple. Right here, over here, and down here. So we have some in West Virginia, Maryland, and Pittsburgh. We also have one in Virginia. And then we have another one, a slosh of it, in Illinois. Winter storm warnings includes Kansas City and Bangor, which goes from Kansas, Missouri, and Illinois, including Iowa, and then also New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. Winter storm advisories include Chicago, north of St. Louis, Detroit, Syracuse, and yeah. Includes the states of Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Kansas, Missouri, Maryland, West Virginia, Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. Let's head on over to the additional snow totals. Right here. So we have for Chicago and Milwaukee about 1 to 3 more inches. Milwaukee is about 2 inches. Chicago is more 1 inch. Detroit, no more inches. Sorry, Detroit. Burlington, we have about 3 to 6 inches. Boston, about 1 to 3. Not really that much for Boston. But over here, we do see the main bit. Due to that, this region hasn't gotten the snow that the other region has. But the ice for a 1/10 of an inch or greater. We have State College is in a medium. Syracuse is in a low. East of Detroit is in a low. East of Chicago, west of Detroit is in a low. West of Chicago is in a low. West of Washington, D.C. is in a low. Syracuse is in a low. West of Boston is in a low. But the lows is Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, and Vermont. And then the mediums is for Maryland, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, and Massachusetts. Let's see the Saturday forecast, which is actually tomorrow. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. Burlington and Bangor will be in snow. Buffalo will be in mix. Boston will be in rain. And yeah, that's all it shows here. And the Adirondacks will be in snow. But guys, I think I have to end it here. Right after this, there will be a video on Tropical Cyclone Danilo. But guys, I think I have to end it here. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I create another video.